Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day so far. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 cannot do my makeup without products. There are only 5. There are only 5 things that every single time I do my makeup I utilize. Other products may come and go, other items may be picked up and put off, but these 5 come into action without fail, categorically, every time I do my makeup, whether it's a quick and easy 5 minutes or a full glam. They're there to get on my face. They're there to serve me, and today I'm going to share them with you. So before we get started, don't forget to ask me your question of the day if you have one, and I'll try to answer one in a future video. Today's question is from Megan, and it was top 3 favourite films. Megan, what a toughie. What a tough question. I love films. I'm constantly watching films. I watch several a week. I love them. But my top 3, you have been generous. If you'd said 1, I'd have told you to get out of here. But 3 is fairly generous. Number 1, these aren't going to go in any kind of order, but they are 7. Love it. Love everything about it. Scary, gross, weird, disgusting. Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman. What more could you frankly ask for? Another one, The Notebook. Totally other end of the scale, I know, but that's the kind of girl I am. I'm one or the other. Get you a girl who can do both, you know? Love The Notebook, adore it. Our wedding was Notebook themed. We had lots of little touches from The Notebook in our wedding. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Number 3 is a tough one. There's so many that could go in this slot. We could have Shawshank Redemption. We could have a funny one. There's lots of funny films that I love. Anchorman, those types of films, love them. But I'm gonna go with an oldie and underrated film that is very dear to my heart. It has it all. It has comedy, it has fear and terror, it has romance, it has love, it has aliens. And the film is Signs. Very, very underrated. I'm a huge M. Night Shyamalan fan. Anything that man does, I'm on board with watching. So yeah, that is my pick. So underrated. Go and check. If you haven't seen those 3 films, do it. They're all fantastic. But enough about that. Let's move on to my 5 items. So number 1, I didn't bring it down here because it's frankly ginormous and would not be a good idea. This is my Glamcor Riki Tall Mirror. This is a light up mirror. It changed my life. I was incredibly generously gifted this mirror last year, and it was the greatest gift other than my children, probably, that I have received. It is, it's glorious, it's stunning, it's huge. The light is incredible. I have to get ready in my bedroom in a corner that is very poorly lit. We do actually keep our bedroom quite low lit because it's a bedroom, but I also do my makeup in there, and the lighting is horrific. It's fine on a sunny day for an hour or so, but if I'm getting ready to go out in the evening, I cannot see one single thing. And then this mirror came along and it's changed my life. I used to do my makeup like this, right up close to the mirror, because that was the only way that I could see a thing. Now I get to sit up and enjoy some posture, you know? Absolutely love it. It is very expensive, but it is totally different from any other light up mirror I have tried, and I've tried several. Believe you me, this actually beams light so powerful that the light actually lights the room rather than just shining a spotlight on your face, which is actually probably making things worse, to be honest, as far as ending up looking normal when you go outside. This actually lights the room with natural daylight, so it's not like super warm light, it's mimicking as closely as possible natural daylight, so you don't look mental when you then go outside and it's horrifying. This is like, it's got you. It's just amazing. I will treasure it forever. Next up, number 2 is a magnifying pan mirror. This is just the one that came with my Riki mirror, but any decently magnifying mirror that you can hold here and it'd be nice and close, for me is essential for two things. One, brows, and one, lashes, because I need to look down into a mirror to do my lashes so I don't get mascara all over my lids. Same thing with my brows. I can't do my Riki tool because it's so big, it's quite far away from me. So I sometimes need a mirror to be here, to be close for things like brows, lashes, and sometimes lips if I'm doing like a bold lip with liner or something like that, or a wing. I need it to be here and I need to be able to hold it down when I'm doing mascara and things like that, so I can, you know, get rid of the hood for 5 seconds so I can get in there. And this is a game changer. If you are old and going blind like me, get yourself a little handheld magnifying mirror. Gold. Next up, the only product in here, the only product that goes on my face without fail every single time I do my makeup. Can you guess what it is? I'll wait. It's the Tatcha Silk Canvas. And it was the right way up as well. You can't buy that. This is my second pot. I'm already hitting pan on it. I am obsessed with this. I can't do my makeup without it. It makes the biggest difference I've seen of a primer versus no primer under foundation. It makes your makeup wear longer, it makes your makeup go on more smoothly. I feel like I don't need as much foundation to get an even coverage. It smooths over pores, lines, texture, wrinkles, etc. I will likely never use another primer. Just saying. Don't hold me to that, because it may be that one day a better one comes along. Next up, some tools. What is that? 40? 2 tools that I use without fail in some way, shape or form every time I do my makeup. 1, beauty blender. And if you didn't know how much I do for you guys, I went into my drawer and got a brand new one out so you didn't have to look at the monstrosity that is the current one I'm using. So just don't say I don't ever do anything for you, okay? A brand new, look how little it looks before it gets all wet and disgusting. Some foundations go on better with a beauty blender, some with a brush, or my preference sometimes is a brush, but I literally do not do my makeup without using this in some way, whether it's to do my eye primer and to blend that all over the lid, whether it's just to go over a sort of foundation where I've gone in a bit heavy and just pick up excess, whether it's to blend out my concealer, whether it's to blend out some cream blush, use on liquid highlight, use as a cream contour blend. In some way, shape or form, I will use this sponge without fail every time I do my makeup. I've tried lots of other sponges. This is my favorite. For me, it's the right shape, size, contours. I like the pointy bit. I like the rounded bit. I like the sides. I just like it. I love it. They last way longer, that's the other thing. I know they are more expensive than, say, the Real Technique sponge that lots of people love, and lots of other sponges. They are one of the more expensive sponges. However, I can get like 6 months out of one of these, treating it nice, you know? And last but not least, something that people ask me about all the time, something that when I bought it, I thought, who do you think you are? You're not a professional, you don't need one of these. And now I've no idea what I did before I had it. And this is my mixing palette. This is from MyKitCo, but they do all different types of these. There are many different available. Other brands are available, but mine is from MyKitCo. It was only like, it was less than a tenner, I believe, but it was a long time ago. So this is designed mainly, I guess, for pro artists to, you know, whack all different types of goodness on here and dabbly dabble it together and do whatever you like. For me, I put liquids on here, so I cannot apply, I don't know how I applied foundation before I had this. I don't know. Now, every single time I do my makeup, squirt my foundation on here. If I'm mixing shades, they can get mixed on here with a finger and then applied. If I have a liquid highlight or anything liquid, blush, etc., it goes on here so I can blend it into the skin easier. I do not know what I did before I had this. Did I just squirt it on Instagram style? Was I putting it straight on the sponge? I don't know, but it doesn't matter because now I have this. I highly recommend getting one of these. It's not as bougie or as unnecessary as you might think. I really don't know what I did without it. That's all I can tell you. So there you have it. Those are my 5 items, products, things, tools, weapons that I use without fail every single time I do my makeup. Cannot live without things. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to know what yours are, what your cannot do your makeup without tools, accessories, etc. are. You can only have 5 because I only got 5, so you can only get 5. Those are the rules, okay? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love dearly to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.